Hello, today we're going to be taking a look at CRM systems. For those of you who don't know what a CRM system is, it's actually an acronym for Customer Relationship Management, and this is a system which is being implemented by many businesses today around the world. And this system basically aims to allow you to manage your relationship with your customers, your current customers and your potential customers through that software system. So we're going to take a wee look at today at how you can implement this system effectively. So the first step I'm going to ask you to complete, and the first step for any sort of transformation, business transformation, digital transformation, or even any type of technology implementation, is to define your needs. So sometimes this step can prove pretty difficult for sales or marketing type businesses who really don't have any experience in implementing new technology software systems within their business. So within this step, you really want to take a step back and consider your vision. You want to be thinking about what you're setting out to achieve and what the end result is going to look like for your business. You also want to be thinking about the CRM system in the context of how it's helping you today and how it's going to help you in the future towards building your relationships with your customers. So we need to be thinking about how we can do this, how we as a business can track customer buying behaviours and the reasoning behind their interactions with the business, and how we can use this CRM system to meet these needs. So this is probably not an easy step to complete, and this way a lot of businesses actually employ external vendors or businesses to come in and conduct a transformation or a CRM implementation within their business. And it's important that you really understand and have an individual in that company with experience and awareness of your business who can really direct the overall approach, understand your business needs and implement the correct CRM system. So within this step, you might want to analyse your business processes and workflows. Understanding the internal operations of the business will be key towards deciding which areas of the business require change and how the CRM system is going to actually impact that change and integrate with your current ways of working. You will also want to communicate with all stakeholders, understanding who this technology is going to affect the most and how you can deal with these people effectively. And within this step, you want to be encouraging involvement, collaboration from the likes of your management team, as well as creating transparent communication and awareness in around how this technology system and around the CRM system, how it's going to affect your business positively. And you can do this by setting smart goals. Setting these goals will allow you to see exactly where you want to go with the new technology software system and what exactly you aim to achieve and how it's going to benefit you. So the second point that we're going to ask you to do is research the market. Pretty self-explanatory, I suppose, in terms of actually completing research into the CRM system that you aim to implement within your own business. And I suppose this is an important factor when it comes to this step is that you're analysing each CRM system based on what it has to offer in terms of maybe what integrations it has to offer. So a lot of CRM systems which are out there have multiple integrations, allowing you to actually integrate your current software systems with the CRM tool, and this will really help in terms of improving your efficiency, in terms of actually sharing data and really saving you a lot of time and more general tasks that you may complete on a daily basis. So there are many different software systems out there such as HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipeline. I have conducted a video on CRM systems in terms of which one you might want to choose. There is a video on this on ProfileTree's YouTube, but I will also leave a link within the description box below to this video. So I would encourage you to check that out as well. But in general, you want to be selecting a CRM system that matches your processes and workflows and is best suited towards your business. You will also want to take in a CRM system which supports the growth and development of your company, and one which really isn't going to pose any risks towards your business and the future of your business as well. So the next step is going to be evaluating and analyse the benefits of the CRM system towards your business. So effectively, you now know your needs from a customer relationship perspective, and now you're in the position to evaluate and analyse the benefits of this CRM system towards what it can offer your business and the future of your business as well. So what you want to think about here effectively is, what do you want the CRM system to do? What are you trying to achieve, and how can you actually evaluate them needs in terms of looking at exactly how it's going to fit in with your business? And I suppose there's different factors that you really want to consider when you're looking at this step. In terms of one of the major factors is going to be the price of the CRM system, and you want to consider this upon selecting and implementing new technology within your business at any period. And it's also important to actually calculate the return on investment in terms of how it's going to be scalable towards the growth of your company. So you're really probably thinking about the future of your business when you're considering this step in terms of how is this going to benefit you, where can you see the CRM system taking your business, and where can you actually see it in a year's time, 2 years time, or 5 years time. in terms of that growth of your customer relationships, of any current and potential customers that you may have. And this is all going to be coming down to the likes of your financial capability to support the implementation of the software system, and how it's going to affect your employees within the business and the growth of your business too. Now you have an understanding of your business needs and you've evaluated the benefits towards the CRM system, we can take a look at the following step. The next step is actually a really important factor, and it's probably one that a lot of businesses fail to either recognise or leave out of the overall process, and it's actually testing the CRM systems. So in most case scenarios there are different versions or types of technologies which are on the market, and when deciding upon a technology software system to select, you should really analyse and evaluate exactly what each of them has to offer before making your decision. And there's different ways of doing this, but I would encourage you to test each of these systems and match them with your needs effectively. For example, if we look at the different CRM systems, as I briefly mentioned, there are many different types such as HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipeline, and also others such as Soho, Monday Sales. There are many different version types and opportunities within the CRM software environments. So I would encourage you to really evaluate each of these and analyse which one is going to be best suited towards your needs. And you can do this in different ways, but the best method is to select multiple technology systems and begin by shortlisting each of your options to say in around 1 to 3 CRM systems. And then once you have these identified, you can then test and pilot each of these within the business to identify which one suits your business the most basically. So you can do this by scoring scripts or test scripts and encouraging the involvement of your teams on your sales team or whoever it may be is going to be using the CRM system, and allowing them to score the system based on how they actually feel about it, because essentially you want to meet the needs and desires of your employees as well as your customers when implementing the CRM system as well. And this will have a massive effect on how successful you are in terms of actually choosing the correct vendor. So this brings us on to the final point, and it's in relation to organisational change management. And this is a massive factor when it comes to CRM success, and in general any sort of success when it comes to technology software implementation in terms of actually conducting a digital transformation within your own business environment. Effectively, you're going to have to deal with some sort of change, and with change can come resistance. So we'll have a wee look at this within this point of view. So like any digital transformation, as I mentioned, when you actually implement a new system such as a CRM system, change management is going to have massive implications on how successful you are. And as I mentioned, no matter what type of technology system you're going to be implementing within your business in the future, you are going to be faced with some sort of resistance. And this is actually highly relevant if you find yourself within the likes of sales and you're implementing a CRM system, as this is going to affect performance and the way of working of your sales people within your business. So you can actually expect resistance at the beginning of this, so you really want to know how to manage this effectively. So what can we do to manage resistance to change a wee bit better? An area you want to consider is in terms of involvement. As we talked about during the testing and piloting of the CRM system, you want to encourage involvement to the overall scoring or else the use of the new platform, allowing your employees to effectively become aware and understand clearly how to use the CRM system. Second point I want to make is in terms of communication. Can your employees communicate to you whether they have any problems or concerns in around the CRM system? Is there clear communication channels built between yourself and your employees, such as group feedback sessions or one-to-one meetings? Another factor is in terms of collaboration. Can you get senior leadership, senior management to collaborate with the vision of the CRM system in terms of aligning it with your strategy, in terms of your business strategy and how this can affect the future of your business? And then finally, in terms of training and support, so this is obviously a massive factor which we went through as well. So training and support, making sure that they're aware, they understand how to use the CRM system, is going to be massive towards the future success of how your CRM system performs within your business. Okay, so now you have come to the conclusion to which technology system is best suited towards your business and the needs of your business. You are now in a position to negotiate the terms of agreement. But I also want to mention before I close up on this video is that I would encourage you to measure your results to understand what benefits you have achieved and make plans on how you can achieve the benefits you did not achieve. So at the beginning, as I mentioned, we went through the analysis, the business analysis. So you want to review this again, try and get an understanding of exactly what you achieved and what you didn't, and then make plans towards the future of your business. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope that was really worthwhile. If you do want some more links to resources to videos like this, check out the description box below where you can find links to these videos as I mentioned. In addition to this, if you have any questions or queries, don't be afraid to contact myself. My email is lachlan@profiletree.com, or contact ProfileTree and we will be more than happy to help as well. I hope you have a brilliant day and thank you for watching.